pulled out the metal edge. And we've kind of dug out to where our edging is going to be. This is where the metal edging was. We're extending the bed just a little bit, but what you can see from where the metal edging was is you have grass that's grown on the backside, so it kind of came up and then it kind of tried to grow up the metal edging. It was actually growing on the inside of the metal edging. So whenever we're prepping, unless we've specified on price tag, that we're digging out this whole thing, at least we want to get rid of this initial stuff, this overgrowth of dragon things, because that's just going to grow back in behind. It's already growing grass back there. So the idea is we want to get deep into here to have a depth for the block the roots, and we also want to have a width to help block the roots. So this is going to get cut wider, and a lot of this stuff is going to get cut out.